Now imagine that you're in a gift shop and you want to buy a present. Present means gift. Okay?
Can I help you?
Again, can I help you? How can I help you? Do you need any help?
How much is that t-shirt?
It's a question. How much is that t-shirt? How much is this? How much is that? How much is this book? How much is that clothes? How much is this bag? Okay, you can say this, that. Okay, because you want to make sure that what price those things are.
It's 15.60.
15.60.
Sorry, how much did you say?
So if you do not understand the price or something which somebody else is saying, in that case you can say sorry or pardon me, excuse me, how much did you say? Because I couldn't understand what you said.
15.60.
So she repeats slowly, much more clearly.
And how much are those mugs?
And how much are those mugs? You know, those mugs. One mug, two mugs. So this mug, that mug, these mugs, those mugs. So what is mug? Mug is a kind of big cup that you can drink coffee or tea with it, right?
The big mugs are 10.25 and the small ones are 8.75.
So the big mugs are 10.25 and the small ones are 8.75.
Can I have a big mug, please?
Sure.
So can I have a big mug? So she doesn't need small, she wants big mug. And again, please. So if you add please to the end of the sentence, automatically your sentences can be very polite.
Sure.
Sure means of course. Certainly, definitely.
Here you are. Anything else?
Again, here you are means here you go, like American. Anything else or what else?
Do you have birthday cards?
Do you have birthday cards? Means, you know, there are some cards that you can write down some things, some good sentences in it, and you can send it to the birthday person, right?
Sorry, we've only got postcards.
Sorry, I am so sorry. You know, I am so ashamed. We have only got postcards. The only thing that we have right now is postcard. There is no birthday card.
Oh well, just the mug then.
Oh well, that's okay. Just the mug then. Means okay, in that case, I only take mugs. I don't take anything else.
That's 10.25.
Here you are.
Have you got the 25?
So have you got the 25? What is 25 is basically metallic money, right? Or cent, we can say. So have you got that 25 cent? Have you got means do you have?
Yes. Here.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
So thanks, thank you, bye, bye. Okay, very simple.
Hi, Allie. Wow, you look great.
Hi, Ali, how are you? Wow, you know, when you're so surprised, you say, wow, I am surprised. You look great. So you can say you look great basically to women, to ladies, because they are putting on makeup and also they are wearing some beautiful clothes. In that scenario, they look very beautiful and much more prettier than before, right? In that case, we say, oh, you look great. You look awesome today.
Nice dress.
Nice dress means I like that. I liked your dress.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for this compliment. So this is a kind of compliment, and she's taking or accepting the compliment, right?
This is for you, for your birthday.
This is for you for your birthday. Means I bought this small gift for your birthday, right?
I bought you a little present.
I bought you a little present. So I bought, buy, bought. So buy, bought. I bought because in the past. I bought you a little means small. Present means gift.
Oh no! I hope it isn't broken.
Oh no. See, there's a kind of intonation. I hope it isn't broken. I hope it is okay. I hope it hasn't broken.
It's a mug.
So, oh, it's a mug. You surprised me.
It was a mug.
Actually, it was a mug. So what is was? You're talking about the past tense, which in which the action actually ends and finished, and there is no continuation. So in that case, that is why he's saying it was mug, not anymore. It is not mug because it is broken. It was mug 2 minutes or a minute before.
Thanks, Allie.
Oh, thanks, Sally. You're very kind.
I don't believe it. I'm sorry, Mark.
I don't believe it means I am very sorry. I cannot forgive myself. What I have done. What did I do? I am so sorry, Mark.
No problem. It was really nice of you.
No problem. Don't mention it. That's totally okay. It was really nice of you. Means you're very kind, very lovely, very gentle person. I am so thankful that you bought me a small or any kind of present. You're very lovely.
I'll get you another one tomorrow.
I'll get you another one tomorrow. I'll means I will, short form. So I will in the future. I will get you another one. Get here means buy. So I will buy you another one because it is broken. And so that is not good. I have to buy you another present when? Tomorrow. So yesterday, today, tomorrow.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. Be relaxed. Calm down.
Listen, did you call a taxi to go to the restaurant?
Listen means pay attention. Look, did you call a taxi to go to the restaurant? Means we need a taxi to go to the restaurant today, right? Because we don't know how to go there or where to go.
No, I have my car outside.
No, I have my car outside. Because she says that I have a car. We don't need any taxi, which means that I can drive it to the restaurant.
Come on, it's time to go.
Come on, it is time to go. Come on means hurry up. We don't have much time. Be hasty, okay? It's time to go means we have to go or we must go. We cannot lose time.
I booked the table for 8.
I booked the table for 8. So booked as a verb means it has different meanings. Here it means I reserved. Booked today, booked yesterday. So in the past, I reserved the table for 8 o'clock. So because we don't have much time, we have to go there. We have to be there at 8 o'clock.
And I'm not sure exactly where the restaurant is.
And I am not sure exactly where the restaurant is. Means I have no idea or I am not so certain about the exact or precise location of the restaurant. Which means that I need to ask the location because I don't know the location. I don't know the location exactly.
Hey, Allie, relax. This isn't work. This is a night out.
Hey, look, Ali, relax. This is not work or this isn't work. It is not a work. It means that you don't need to be official or formal, okay? This is a night out. Means this is a kind of friendly night. We will go out, we will eat out, and we will have some time. That's it. You do not need to be very formal or, official. Be relaxed.
Sorry, I'm a bit stressed today. Okay, let's go.
Sorry means I am very ashamed. I am a bit stressed today. A bit means a little bit, a little. Stressed means stressful. They say, I am stressed today, which means that I had a lot of stressful things to do, or I had a kind of stressful day today, and I am stressed today. Okay, let's go. Means let's go to the restaurant together. Now imagine that you're in a clothes shop and you want to buy some clothes. Let's see what sort of dialogues we are going to hear.
Can I help you?
Again, can I help you? Or how can I help you? Or do you need any help? These are very cliche questions.
Yes. What size is this shirt?
Yes, of course. What size is this shirt?